Awesome. Again, good morning, everybody, and thank you for taking time to join us on the session today that Andy and the team have scheduled and organized for us. Again, by way of, I think I've got a pop-up. I just want to close that. By way of introduction, my name is Ashram Sami, and as mentioned, I'm the NICE Sales Manager looking after Indonesia. Sorry, I keep getting a pop-up. I look after Indonesia and a few of our key strategic accounts. And Justin's a familiar face that's joining me today, and Akshay as well. So he'll be participating in our Q&A session that we have a bit later. Please note there's no need for any screen captures of the presentation. My QR code is up, and most of you have my contact details. So feel free to reach out to me at any point. I'll be more than happy to share the slide deck and a bit more details and information with you. As many of you know, NICE is a truly global organization. We are headquartered in the US and listed on NASDAQ, with 37 global offices to serve organizations around the world. We have a world-class contact center and have been in this space for the past 18 years. So we really have deep roots within the contact center cloud industry as well. We have been dominant in this region, and analysts believe what we have to say, and they believe we're relevant as well. We are a market leader, recognized by several global analysts, and have the accolades and certifications for that, with more than 40 awards and leadership rankings to our name. These are certainly changing times, as we've had in the introduction discussion with Andy a short while ago, and this was highlighted and emphasized on. Our world has been changing at an accelerated pace, and customer experiences will change even more in the next 3 years than they have in the previous 15 years. So we're living through expedited cycles of technology and innovation adoption, and leading to this constant creation of new consumer expectations. And with these changing needs, we see this widening gap between consumer expectations and the company's ability to holistically address the end-to-end consumer journey. So at NICE, we think it's time to bridge this gap and provide organizations with a world-class solution that can really bridge the gap and these needs and drive exceptional customer and consumer experiences. We call this approach CXI, Customer Experience Interactions. So CXI is a new category that we've established at NICE because contact center as a service alone does not properly describe what we do. CXI, Customer Experience Interactions, covers all customer engagements, including those that happen outside of the contact center. So when you think about CXI, think about your website, think about enterprise mobile apps, think about customer portals, and social media messaging platform like Facebook and WhatsApp, right? So at its core, CXI done well is really the fluent management of all interactions and really unifies the customer, agent, and brand experiences on one single framework, and CXone is the platform to take you there. NICE CXone delivers a complete CX solution that creates exceptional experiences for every step of the journey. And it's the only one in the market today that's a unified platform and accounts for the entire CX ecosystem, addressing the needs of consumers, agents, and brands. This is how NICE CXone delivers and completes the solution that creates exceptional experiences for every CXI journey in today's world. So at its core, it includes 5 main pillars of solutions and capabilities that are all interconnected and together form the world's most comprehensive set of CXI offerings. So taking care of customer journeys end to end, while embedded with our CX purpose-built AI, and all based on our leading open cloud native platform. CXone offers the most CX applications in a single unified platform, providing both breadth and depth of advanced solutions that cover the entire range of today's customer, agent, and brand needs, from solutions that meet consumers proactively on their preferred channels through journey orchestration and power self-service capabilities, while at the same time preparing and empowering our agents and also providing world-class WM solutions. So CXone really offers the most inter-app workflows. So the whole notion of SuiteForm, and many on the call have heard this concept of SuiteForm. The whole notion of SuiteForm is the idea of a single unified platform that is also suite-based, so that applications can be informed by one another in real time as well for analysis purposes. So let's dig a bit deeper into some of these foundational pillars. With entry points, not only can you empower your customers with a smart start to their journey, wherever their journey begins, whether it's on the web, on their mobile device, or inside your app, with CXone, you can also drive visitors to your website with improved search rankings for access to knowledge content. So this really increases the adoption of your web self-service, which overall lowers your cost to serve and helps you retain more customers. And what's key is it also converts website visitors into customers by guiding them to the relevant content and offers. As an example, customers that have deployed our solutions and implemented our solutions have seen an average of a 57% year-on-year increase in traffic to their website and a 50% reduction in agent costs. So results like these are really impactful to every organization. Given the limited time we have on today's call and today's webinar, please feel free to reach out to me to go into more detail and look underneath what lies below these successes that our customers have seen. There's a lot of details which I'm more than happy to share with you. The next pillar relates to when you need to master the complexity of today's customer journey. So journey orchestration really covers all parts of a seamless customer journey across self-service and agent-assisted channels. So what you're essentially matching every customer with the best resource every time. And with CXone, you're saving both time and effort as you're using one single platform, the same single platform that has an intuitive interface that allows IT and business users to participate in shaping the overall customer experience. And the result of this can be seen through an 89% improvement on average in response time when CXone channels and reskilling has been deployed, and an 86% improvement in the average speed to answer. And this really has a massive impact on NPS and customer experience scores as well. Our third pillar covers smart self-service to address the needs of today's changing consumers. And as mentioned at the start of the discussion, what we've seen is that an average of 81% of consumers prefer self-service channels before actually engaging with a voice agent in a contact center. So NICE is the only offering on the market to automate conversational discovery. And what we mean by that is we have the only solution that with intelligent virtual agents can guide consumers and deliver answers based on what they're looking for and why they're looking for it as well. The impact of that translates into a 90% automation containment rate, improvement in automation containment rate, an 80% decrease in repeat tickets, and a 32% reduction in cost to serve. And again, all of these KPIs and metrics can be mapped into strong ROIs that will really show the impact to the bigger and broader business team members. So once the customer journey reaches your contact center, the key is really to have an effective set of tools to create an exceptional customer and employee experience. So where it's tailored to the customer, it also needs to be tailored to your agents and ensure that your agents are informed with context, with the customer journey history, and the relevant knowledge. So that's the power of empowering agents, and that's the power that lies beneath our empowered agents pillar. So as they say, and as we know, happy agents mean happy customers. So a big focus with our CXone strategy and CXI is ensuring agents are empowered. The impact is an 86% improvement on average in speed to answer, a 70% decrease in end-to-end support lead time, and a 40% decrease in agent onboarding time. The 40% decrease in agent onboarding time has a massive impact and ROI as well, which we can look at in more detail. So when empowering agents with CXone and our tools and capabilities that lie beneath it, these are the benefits and the improvements a customer can expect. And finally, with CXone, we bring you complete performance, where you have unified those loosely tied together point solutions, and we enable organizations to really drive organizational excellence across the complete journey. So complete performance is really about leveraging data, leveraging smart analytics, leveraging machine learning and AI to determine the optimal drivers to deliver world-class omnichannel customer service with a hybrid workforce in this digital world and changing world and landscape that we are in. The impact, a 50% reduction in abandoned calls, a 53% decrease in average handle time, and a 73% reduction in agent access hours. So for other operational folks on today's webinar session, these numbers are quite impactful, and I'm sure it could translate into massive improvements and savings to your organization and business. So as we've seen, strong adoption across all pillars in many that has really helped organizations transform in this fast-changing landscape to meet the changing needs of today's consumers. So only CXone provides a complete and comprehensive CX platform covering the entire customer journey, anywhere and everywhere, whether it be across voice channels or across any of your digital channels, and really addressing the foundational needs of today's consumers, agents, and brands. So once again, I thank you for your time today, and we welcome the opportunity to partner together with you and to really dig into more detail on customer experience interactions and getting it right and creating a long-lasting, exceptional customer experience that drives performance, efficiencies, and business success for your organizations. With that said, we'll now open up for short Q&A sessions, and joining me is Justin, Akshay, and Pa Andy.